Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna predict the UEFA Europa and the Conference League. I'm gonna start with the Europa Conference. Gent versus West Ham United. West Ham plus draw, and then we're gonna go with the Europa League. Feyenoord and AS Roma. Feyenoord straight win. UEFA Europa League also. Juventus versus Sporting Lisbon. Juventus plus draw. Europa Conference League, we go with the FC Basel and OCG Nice. OCG Nice plus draw. Europa Conference League, Anderlecht versus AZ Alkmaar. Anderlecht straight win. We go with the Europa Conference League also. Lech Poznan versus Fiorentina. Fiorentina straight win. Europa League, Manchester United versus Sevilla. Manchester United straight win. Europa League also, Bayer Leverkusen versus St. Gilloise. Bayer Leverkusen straight win.